Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Stephanie and I'm blind and I do not have a guide dog, but I do have this. It's the white cane that you're looking at. And so I do use the white cane. And this little girl right here is Baby. She is brown and she has white paws with a white belly and chest. And she's currently gray-headed because she's 15 years old. Her favorite things are scratches on her sides, scratches on her belly, scratches on her chest, dog treats, and sleeping. Her favoriteest thing to do is nap. I've had her since she was a little puppy. She was kind of a rescue. And I love her to bits. So join me and Baby as we show you what it's like living as a blind person. Okay, fine, so it's just me, but Baby's tagging along. Sometimes. Come on, you know you want to. It'll be fun, right? We had company today. One of my cousins came over and visited for a little bit, and I haven't done much of anything. I've been reading on a book that I started while I was waiting on yesterday's video technically to upload. And I just been kind of hanging out because it's been like a super rainy day. It'll rain real hard and then it'll just stop. And then it'll rain gently and then it'll stop. So it's been a really rainy day. I am watching Sister Wives and just kind of hanging out. I don't know why. I really like that show. It's a good show. Don't judge me. But yeah, I'm watching Sister Wives and kind of just hanging out. Excuse me, sorry. Did not mean to yawn. Did I make y'all yawn? She must be cold. She's laying right next to the vent. Are you cold? Hopefully there's enough light and y'all can see her. She picked a really awkward corner to lay in. Are you cold? Huh? Are you cold? She's like, well, since I can't lay in your chair, I'm gonna lay beside it. That's what I'm gonna do. Evil dog. She learns from the best. I like how I can give her scratches and she doesn't even move. It's like she doesn't even care. Like, oh, you're giving me scratches? Awesome. But if I scratched her belly, she'd move. Nope. Nope, still doesn't move. Well, fudge cakes. I didn't want her to move, but I just wanted to see what she would do. Usually if you scratch her belly, she'll roll over, or try to, onto her back. I am going to go ahead and end today's video. I hope you like this video enough to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're brand new. Ring that notification bell. I don't think I need to say that anymore, do I? I don't know. Do it anyway. Like my Facebook page and follow me on Twitter. Both of those are Steffi2010. Can be found on my YouTube page below the About section, and can also be found down in the description below, along with a link to transcribe and add closed captions to any or all of my videos, including the one that you're watching right now. So obviously, if you know a language other than English and you can help me out, it would be much appreciated. And thank you and all that good stuff, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye guys.